I'm going to go back here to naming. That's what I wanted. And you can see we can go to lights here. We can go to channel 1 and I can choose a name for it. In this case it's back right because that's what I'm using, the light that's on channel 1. 2 is on the back left and 3 is my main light. Now normally I've got that set up differently. My main light is on the 1, but I had reversed some lights around because of this particular setup. Wanted the Einsteins in the back and have the Alien B up front because I didn't need as much power where the beauty dish is going to be sitting. But when you're in here, I can go ahead and select a name and I can move up and down through them like this by putting the joystick up or down the right hand one. And then when I leave it there, it's going to save that name. Then I can go to the next light, and I can move up and down to different things. And wherever I leave it, that's what the name is going to be. So now when I go back to my flash screen, you can see that I have, right above where it says power, I have back left, and I have this one as main light, and number 1 is back right. So you can see the name right here, and it'll tell you what kind of light it is, because like 3 is an Alien B400, and the other 2 are Einsteins, and those are automatically recognized, whereas the others we'll be doing in a moment will be selecting some parameters to tell the Cyber Commander how to recognize an Alien B or other thing like a white lightning